Good morning students. Welcome to the class. I am Rajni, your science teacher in DAV Police Public School, Kethel. In the last chapter, we have studied about reproduction. Reproduction is the method to increase the number and maintain the specific species in nature. Living organisms reproduce, but there is only a certain age in their life cycle to reproduce. The life cycle of human being consists of three main stages. The first one is childhood, the second one is adolescence, and the third one is old age. And today we will study about the adolescence. Adolescence is the age when you can see the maximum development of your body organs. You can see in this chart from the age of 14 to 18 years, the maximum height is taken by a child, either girl or a boy. So, adolescence is the age when maximum development of the body take place. Adolescence is a Latin word, adolescere, which means to grow into maturity. It is the period from 12 to 18 years of the age of human being. During this stage, the development of the body, maximum development of the body take place physically, emotionally and socially. During adolescence age, maximum body development take place and the changes take place physically, socially and sexually. They are known as puberty. The period of changes of body take place sexually, they are known as puberty, and puberty is also a Latin word which means age of manhood. The average age for the girls to attain maturity is 10 years and in boys that is 12 years. And it is also influenced by heredity and environment such as diet, exercise, etc. The following changes take place during puberty: increase in height, change in body shape, voice change, increase the activity of sweat and sebaceous gland, development of sex organ, reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. The maximum increase in height take place during this stage. In this stage, there is sudden and visible increase in the height and weight. The arms and the legs grow faster than the rest of the body during this age. This is a growth chart you can see from 8 to 18 years. In 17 and 18 years, 100% of the growth or physical changes take place during this age. The next one is change in body shape. There is some changes in the body shape. In the boys, the shoulder become broader and the chest become wider. The muscles of the body grow prominently. In the girls, the region below the waist become wider. The muscle of the body do not grow prominently. There are some changes in the internal organ also. Our heart increase 50% during this age and its weight is almost double. And the size of the lungs and capacity of the lungs is also increased. Voice changes. During puberty, the voice box, larynx, is also become full grown. In boys, it develops to form a deep and hoarse voice. The larynx is visibly clear. And in the girls, it is hardly visible from the outside and girls has high pitch voice. The larynx is developed and it is seen outside as Adam's apple. Here you can see Adam's apple, and this is very prominent in boys as compared to the girls. Increase the activity of sweat and sebaceous gland. The secretion of sweat gland and sebaceous gland. Sebaceous gland is the oily gland present in the skin, under the skin, and the many young people get acne and pimples on the face at this time because of increased activity of these glands. So these glands, sweat gland and sebaceous gland, they release the secretion through their duct, and therefore they are called the endocrine gland. These glands release hormone directly into the bloodstream. So they are called endocrine gland and ductless gland. Development in sex organ. In boys, testes and penis develop completely. The testes also begin to produce sperm. And in girls, ovaries enlarge and egg begin to mature. Also, ovaries start releasing the mature egg. These type of development take place during this period of puberty.